Namaste बच्चों. Today we are going to see a Rachnatmak Lekhan, creative writing topic. Let's see what is that creative writing topic. What are you seeing here? It's an toothpaste ad. And you are seeing here, what is this? All these are called advertisements. Ads, advertisements. That is called Vigyapan Lekhan in Hindi. Okay, Vigyapan Lekhan, advertisement writing. Advertisement is Vigyapan. Advertisement writing is Vigyapan Lekhan. So we are going to see today Vigyapan Lekhan, advertisement writing, creative writing topic today. Let's see. Vigyapan Lekhan. First see what is Vigyapan Lekhan. Paribhasha, definition. विज्ञापन शब्द वी प्लस ज्ञापन दो शब्दों से मिलकर बनता है. वी का अर्थ होता है विशेष और ज्ञापन का अर्थ होता है सार्वजनिक सूचना. विज्ञापन शब्द is made from two words. Okay, this is made from two words. Vigyapan word is made from two words. One is V and the other one is Gyapan. V means Vishesh, special, and Gyapan means public information. Gyapan means public information, सार्वजनिक सूचना. विज्ञापन एक माध्यम है ग्राहकों को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करके वस्तुओं का बेचने का. So this is a medium. Advertisement is a medium to sell the goods by attracting the customers towards them. Okay. So advertisement is a medium to attract the people, attract the buyers. Okay. To buy the goods. सरल शब्दों में, in simple words, खरीदने के लिए या अन्य जानकारी देने व लेने से लेकर अपने किसी अन्य विषय की ओर लोगों का ध्यान आकर्षित करने के लिए किया जाने वाला जनसंचार विज्ञापन कहलाता है. In the simple words, we can say that buying or giving and receiving other information to attract the attention of people. Okay, लोगों की ध्यान आकर्षित करने के लिए. It is to get the attention of people. Okay, the advertisements are made to get the attention of the people. Attract the attention of the people towards any other subject. It is called advertisement. Okay, attracting the people towards the product is called advertisement. विज्ञापन के प्रकार. So types of विज्ञापन लेखन. How many types are there? ऐसे तो विज्ञापन कई प्रकार के होते हैं, परंतु मोटे तौर पर हम 6 विज्ञापनों की यहाँ विस्तार पूर्वक जानेंगे. There are many types of such advertisements, but broadly we will know about 6 advertisements. Okay, in detail. स्थानीय विज्ञापन. स्थानीय विज्ञापन means local advertisement. राष्ट्रीय विज्ञापन means national advertisement. वर्गीकृत विज्ञापन, that is called classified ads. औद्योगिक विज्ञापन, that is called industrial advertisement. Industrial advertisement. जन कल्याण संबंधी विज्ञापन, that is called public welfare advertisement. सूचना प्रद विज्ञापन, that is informative advertisement. Local, national, classified, industrial, public welfare and informative. These are the 6 types of advertisements. स्थानीय विज्ञापन, राष्ट्रीय विज्ञापन, वर्गीकृत विज्ञापन, औद्योगिक विज्ञापन, जन कल्याण संबंधी विज्ञापन, सूचनाप्रद विज्ञापन. There are some examples here. Okay. So these are all the some examples for विज्ञापन. विज्ञापन के कार्य. So where we are using this? Okay, where we are using विज्ञापन. Why it is used? Okay, advertising works wherever we are doing. विज्ञापन निम्नलिखित कार्य हैं. विज्ञापन के निम्नलिखित कार्य हैं. There are following functions for advertisements. These are all the functions which are done by advertisement. Following are the functions of advertising. नवीन वस्तुओं और सेवाओं की सूचना देना. So it's giving you the information about new goods or service. Okay, if a company is launched a new product, okay, or if a hotel or a hospital they started a new service, they have to give some advertisement. Then only the people will come to know there is a new thing started, so that it is used first of all. Okay, so reporting of new goods and service, first one. सेकेंड वन, किसी वस्तु की उपयोगिता एवं श्रेष्ठता बताते हुए उसकी और लोगों का ध्यान आकर्षित करना. It's describing the usefulness and the superiority of a thing so that it will tend the people towards it. Okay, it will attract the people towards it by saying the how the product is useful and how it is superior. Okay, it will say, the advertisement will say how the product is useful and superior than the other products, so the people will get attract towards that. उपभोक्ताओं में वस्तु के प्रति रुचि तथा विश्वास उत्पन्न करना. To generate interest and confidence in the consumers about the goods. Okay, what is the other work of Vigyapan? To generate the interest. Okay, they should get interest to buy a thing, then only they will purchase it, right? So वस्तुओं के प्रति रुचि, interest tata vishwas, they have to build a belief, confidence towards that product. By seeing the advertisement they will get this. Okay, उपभोक्ता means consumer. Okay, उपभोक्ताओं की स्मृति को प्रभावित करना, and then motivating their memory. Okay, they should not forget about the particular product and they should not buy the other product when they are purchasing next time. Okay, they should keep remember the product. For that that product seller will be keep on giving the advertisement, so that we should not forget about the particular product. We should always keep remember the product. विशेष छूट आदि की जानकारी देते हुए उपभोक्ता मांग में वृद्धि करना. And also there will be a information about the special their demands or special discounts. Okay, they will be giving some special discounts, right? That information will be given in the advertisement to increase the consumers demand by giving information about special discounts. They will be giving special discounts for some people. Buy this, get one, buy one, get one free, 50% off, 50% more, like that. The special discount informations will be given in the advertisements, so that we will see that and we will attract towards that and we will purchase the product. वस्तु को स्वीकार करने, अपनाने और उसे खरीदने की प्रेरणा देना. And other work of advertisement is to motivate the consumers to accept, adopt and buy the product. Okay, it is motivating the consumer to accept the product and adopt the product and buy it. विज्ञापन अन्य उत्पाद कंपनियों के उत्पादों की तुलनात्मक जानकारी देता है. विज्ञापन अन्य उत्पाद कंपनियों, उत्पाद means products, उत्पादनों means products, उत्पाद कंपनियों means the product companies. Okay, so it is giving a comparative information. Advertisement gives information about the products of other product companies comparatively. Okay, they are comparing the other products. Okay, for example, if a salt ad is there, means they will be comparing the other salt. In this iodine is there, like that they will comparing. Okay, so that in this way our salt is the better one. So like that they will be giving some comparisons with the other brand. That comparison we can see only in the ad. बाजार में उत्पाद कंपनियों को स्थिरता प्रदान करना. And it provides a stability to the product companies in the market. Advertisements only providing the stability in the market. Okay, so by seeing the advertisement we will keep on buying that product, so that that product will be stable in the market. विज्ञापन बनाते वक्त किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए? So what are all the points has to be remembered when you are making an advertisement? What are the things to be kept in mind while making an advertisement? कम शब्दों में अधिक प्रभावशाली एवं आकर्षित होना चाहिए. So whatever the creative writing topic we have seen, in all that the same content is there, that is, it should be in less words, okay, but it should be attractive and effective. This is the common point whenever you are writing any kind of creative writing, okay. कम शब्दों में अधिक प्रभावशाली एवं आकर्षित होना चाहिए. Be more effective and attractive in less words. Less words, that has to be remember always. नारे, स्लोगन और प्रेरक वाक्यों का प्रयोग करना चाहिए. We should use slogans and motivation sentences in the advertisement. चित्रों या रेखा चित्रों का प्रयोग करना चाहिए. We should use pictures, sketches in the advertisement. कम शब्दों में उत्पाद की विशेषताओं और महत्व को प्रभावशाली तरीके से बताना चाहिए. In short words, the features and importance of the product should be conveyed effectively. Okay, we have to convey the features and importance of the product effectively in short words. Okay. बॉक्स, गोले या अन्य चित्रों का इस्तेमाल भी अच्छा प्रभाव डालता है. When you are writing, making advertisement, you should use boxes, circles or other shapes. Okay, this will be makes a good impression to your advertisement. लोक लुभावने शब्दों जैसे सेल, धमाका, खुशखबरी, एक पर एक फ्री, स्टॉक सीमित, पहले आइए पहले पाइए, ऐसा अवसर फिर नहीं आएगा, जल्दी करो स्टॉक सीमित, अपना सपना साकार करें, जल्दी आइए कहीं देर ना हो जाए, या 40% छूट, 40% छूट आदि जैसे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल अवश्य करना चाहिए. लोक लुभावने का मतलब है people's tempting. We should tempt the people to buy the product. Okay, those words has to be there in the advertisement. We have to tempt the people. We have to motivate the people to buy the product. Those words has to be there. Those words are like a sale. Sale means immediately we will go and purchase it. Okay. धमाका, blast, खुशखबरी, happy news, एक पर एक free, buy one get one free, stock सीमित, limited stocks, पहले आइए पहले पाइए. Okay, so what is that? First come first get. ऐसा अवसर फिर नहीं आएगा. Such an opportunity will not come again. जल्दी करो स्टॉक सीमित हैं. Hurry up, stocks are limited. अपना सपना साकार करें. Make your dream come true. जल्दी आइए कहीं देर ना हो जाए. Okay, it's not too late. Come fast. Or else 40% shoot, 40% discount. These type of words should be there, must be there in your advertisement. They affect the people. This type of words are affecting the people, and they are what they are doing. They are tempting the people to buy a product. And the seventh point has to be remember is विज्ञापन के अंत में अपना संपर्क नंबर, फोन नंबर अवश्य दें जो कंपनी या दुकान का हो. So at the end, be sure to give your contact number, phone number at the end of the advertisement, which may be of the company or shop. If you are giving advertisement for your company or shop, your phone number should be, your contact number should be mentioned at the end of the advertisement. Then only they can contact you. रंगीन चित्रों का इस्तेमाल भी किया जा सकता है, लेकिन बहुत अधिक चित्रों का प्रयोग ना करें. जरूरत के अनुसार ही चित्रों का प्रयोग करना उचित रहेगा. रंगीन चित्रों का इस्तेमाल भी किया जा सकता है. कलरफुल पिक्चर्स कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज्ड, लेकिन बहुत अधिक चित्रों का प्रयोग ना करें. बट डोंट यूज टू मेनी पिक्चर्स. ओके, जरूरत के अनुसार ही चित्रों का प्रयोग करना चाहिए. It would be appropriate to use pictures as per the need. If it is needed, okay, you have to select. If it is needed, you can put the pictures. विज्ञापन की भाषा एकदम सरल और सहज होनी चाहिए और वाक्य बहुत छोटे छोटे होने चाहिए. The language of the advertisement should be very simple and easy, and the sentences should be very short. Then only the people can easily understand. If the words which you are used are very difficult to understand, the advertisement will going in the moment. Okay, in a second it will go. Before they are understanding the word itself, the advertisement will be over. So they cannot able to understand the advertisement, then how they will buy the product? So what you have to do, you have to use very easy words, simple words and short sentences. Then only people can easily understand and they will be get tempted to buy the product. अगर विज्ञापन किसी सामान के खरीदने या बेचने से संबंधित है तो उसका मूल्य और उसकी उपलब्धता के बारे में भी अवश्य लिखें. So if the advertisement is related to buying or selling any goods, okay, then you must give the detail about the price and also availability. For example, if you are selling a old car, selling your second-hand car means you have to give the details that for how much you are going to sell that car, what is the price of the car, and from when it is available. From January 1st it is available. So like that you have to mention the availability and price of the product, okay, when you are writing an advertisement for buying or selling. लिखावट आकर्षक होनी चाहिए तथा अलग अलग तरह के लिखावट का इस्तेमाल कर विज्ञापन को और भी आकर्षक बनाया जा सकता है. लिखावट आकर्षक होनी चाहिए. The handwriting should be attractive. If your handwriting is not good, they cannot able to understand what you are trying to say and they will not be attracted towards the advertisement even. Then how they will read it? They won't read definitely if the handwriting is not good. So the handwriting should be attractive and you can use different font style. Okay, different style of writing can be used to attract the people. Okay. विज्ञापन में वस्तु से संबंधित विषयों के बारे में ही विस्तार से होना चाहिए. Advertisement should be contain details about the subject related to the article. Okay, so whatever the product it is, according to that only the details should be given. So you can see a sample advertisement here. It's a helmet advertisement, Rakshak helmet. So you can see the words here, dhamaka, dhamaka. These are lubhavne shabd. Okay, tempting words. मजबूत हल्के टिकाऊ आकर्षक रंग एवं डिजाइन. So वस्तुओं के गुणों का उल्लेखन. So here related to the, so what are the points we have remembered, no? So the points has to be remembered. Everything will be here. विज्ञापन वस्तु का नाम. First you have to mention the product name, Rakshak helmet, and then lubhavne shabd, that is tempting words. And the third one related to the information about the product, mazboot, it's very strong. Halke tikau, halke, it is less weight. Tikau means very strong. Akarshak rang, colorful, it is attractive, colorful. Evam, design also very attractive. And here Akarshak chitra, here they have given a very attractive picture. Okay, so you can use if it is needed. I told you only one picture is used here. Okay, if you are using pictures here and there, that will be looking, it won't look nice. Okay, so fifth point is prerak shabd, stock seemit. It is always again motivating the buyer to purchase it. Stock seemit, stocks are limited. रियायत का उल्लेखन, पर 15% की भार छूट है. So how it is, रक्षक हेलमेट पर 15% की भार छूट है. It's a very big discount of 15%. Okay, and आपके सिर का रखवाला रक्षक हेलमेट, तुकबंदी जैसे शब्द. As I told you, you can use some this one, right? Slogans like that, slogans and a motivation sentence. This is like a slogan, aapke sir ka rakhwala rakshak helmet. Okay, this is a slogan. Okay, rakshak helmet ki slogan. And here ek baar avashya kharide, sampark kare, sampark sutra. So we mentioned that the number should be mentioned in the end of the advertisement. So it is also mentioned here. महिलाओं के लिए विशेष हेलमेट भी उपलब्ध हैं. There are special helmets available for ladies. Okay, so this is how your advertisements should be. Okay, विज्ञापन के कुछ और उदाहरण देखेंगे. See here. First one is, आपने अपना नया कंप्यूटर प्रशिक्षण केंद्र खोला है। यहाँ प्रवेश लेने के लिए शिक्षार्थी आकर्षित हो, इसके लिए एक विज्ञापन तैयार कीजिए। You have opened your new computer training center. Okay, प्रशिक्षण केंद्र, computer प्रशिक्षण केंद्र means computer training center. Prepare an advertisement to attract learners to take admission here. Okay, you have to prepare an advertisement for that. For your computer center, you have to prepare an advertisement. See here. So first, what is the product? Excellent computer center. Also, it is given here, colorful picture. कम फीस, उत्तम ज्ञान, सीखिए, फ्री. व्हाट इज फ्री हियर? इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स, कंप्यूटर का ज्ञान दूसरों को भी साथ लाइए, कंप्यूटर सीखने के साथ इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग फ्री. सो दे आर गिविंग इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स फ्री फॉर दिस. आज की जरूरत, आप भी सीखिए. अनुभवी शिक्षकों द्वारा प्रशिक्षण, सभी कंप्यूटर नए, आज ही प्रवेश लें. सो गेट एडमिशन टुडे इटसेल्फ. So this is an advertisement, example for advertisement. And one more advertisement. आप अपनी पुरानी कार बेचना चाहते हैं, इसके लिए एक विज्ञापन तैयार कीजिए. You want to sell your used car. Okay. Create an advertisement for that. See here. बिकाऊ, बिकाऊ, बिकाऊ. Sale, sale, sale. Okay. एकदम नई जैसी कार. एकदम नई जैसी कार. So colorful picture of a car you can draw here. Only color pencils has to be used. Don't use crayons and sketch pens. Okay. So what all the details has to be given? What is the price? Okay. And a model name. Model RD 2015. Rang Kala. Power steering Vatanukulit. It's power steering and AZ. Vatanukulit means AZ car. Okay. Single hand driven. It is single hand driven. कीमत ₹17 lakh मात्र. संपर्क करें. So संपर्क, contact number should be given. Then only the person can contact you. So this is how your advertisement should look with the colorful picture. Okay. It's an ad for furniture shop, super furniture. ये आराम का मामला है, अपनी पसंद का मामला है. This is a slogan. Okay. ये आराम का मामला है, अपनी पसंद का मामला है. This is a matter of your rest and it is matter of your own wish. हमारे यहाँ हर तरह की फर्नीचर मिलते हैं. You can get every type of furniture here. मजबूती और आरामदेह का जवाब नहीं है. It's very strong and very comfortable. So what is the address? Their furniture shop's address. Okay. संपर्क करें. फोन नंबर. धमाका, लुभावने शब्द. 20% की भारी छूट. लुभावने शब्द. कलरफुल पिक्चर. So I hope you understood the Vigyapan Lekhan. So you can also try your own topics. You can try to write your own advertisements. Okay, children, try some more examples. धन्यवाद बच्चों.